guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did Miss Keisha's 4th of July nails. So for this look, I'll be using LongHairPrettyNails clear and white acrylic, along with these glitters that are also available at LongHairPrettyNails.com. I will leave links to everything down below. And this is Miss Keisha, and for you guys that don't know, this is the silicone practice hand that I got from Red Iguana, and I have the posable version. So this is Miss Keisha's right hand, and I still have her old design on her left hand. You guys, I just need to get my life together and get Miss Keisha right. But for right now, I'll just be working on Miss Keisha's right hand. So I'll be using this armrest from Banggood to prop Miss Keisha's hand on so I can work on it easier. And I'm trying out this Peel Off base coat. I want to try this out to see if I'm able to pop the design off after I'm done. I will keep you guys updated on that. So this is the monomer that I use. It is from ASP and I got it from Sally's. I get tons of questions on the monomer that I use, and this is what I like to use. And the brush I'm using is the number 10 Alpha Kolinsky brush. My number 8s are dirty right now, so I just had to go in with the number 10. I still had to get a little bit used to using it again because it's a little bit bigger than the 8, obviously. So I'm just going in with the white acrylic and I'm just putting a base of that down. And then I went in with a tiny bead of clear and picked up the blue glitter, and I'm starting that off around the cuticle area. And like I said, you know, her pinky is small and this brush is a little bigger than what I'm used to, so yeah, but we make it work. So after putting down the blue glitter like I like, I'm just gonna go in with the red and do a little ombre with that. And just adding more here and there where I see fit. Moving on to her ring fingernail, once again I'm going in with a base of white acrylic, and I don't know what it was today, but I just couldn't get my application right. But you know, sometimes you just have an off day. Alright, so once that white base is down, I just go in with a wet bead of clear and then place that down. And then I'm just going to place the red, the silver, and the blue glitter in a kind of like a stripe slant motion. And this design was totally random. I did this on my live stream and I did not know what I was doing before I started. It was just kind of like I'm just gonna use these colors and see what I come up with. But I do like how this design came out because it kind of reminds me of, like, you know, the flag, I guess, waving or something. Like, it looks really cool. Alright, so for the middle finger, this is just going to be a plain white nail, so I'm just going to fully cover it with the white acrylic. Alright, so for the index fingernail, I'm starting off with a base of white once again. And this nail is going to be a glitter French tip. So I'm starting off with a blue glitter and just making the French tip shape. And I'm placing the red glitter on the other side and just trying to match up the shape and just make it look nice and even. And I'm just going to plop some silver in the center. Alright, so for the thumbnail, I'm once again starting off with that base of white acrylic. I'm going in with a ombre of glitter, so I'm starting off silver and then I go in with the red and the blue. I'm just going to go in and encapsulate all the nails using the clear acrylic. And by this time, I've finally gotten used to this bigger brush, so my application is not as cringy as it was before. Alright, and when you're capping the nails with clear, since they are so short, you don't have to do a super thick layer of clear, just a very thin layer. I wanted to try out a shorter design, and Miss Keisha is perfect because, you know, I don't think I want to rock this short nails myself. I did something quick and easy on her just to see, you know, how it would turn out. And that's what I love about these silicone practice hands. You can just, you know, whenever you're in the mood, you can just go ahead and practice. So if you guys are interested in the silicone practice hand from Red Iguana, I do have a coupon code. It is lowercase LHPN, and that gets you 10% off your order. So she does have these hands, and then she has silicone fingers, half a hands, and she have different skin tones as well. So I will leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check that out. I must say though that the index fingernail with this glitter French tip is my favorite. I really love how that came out, and I think I may have to incorporate that in my own nail design because that turned out really good. So when capping the thumb, as you can see, a little speck of red got onto the silver glitter, and that really got on my nerves, but I've already put the clear down, so I can't fix it, but oh well, things happen. Alright, so after the nails have dried, I'm going in with my shaping and filing, and I like to use this Beauty Secrets 100/180 grit nail file, and I start off on the 100 grit side, which is the rougher side, and I just clean up the shape, and then I smooth over the nail and all of that. And then I'm going in with my e-file with this medium grit safety bit, and I just work that around the cuticle area and just smooth over the nail as well. So after the nails are filed, shaped, and buffed, I'm going in with Poochie's Nails Bling Gel and the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I'm starting with the middle finger, applying the Bling Gel. And without carrying in with the top coat, and that is how I'm going to adhere these stones to the nail. I have these colored Swarovski crystals, and then I have the iridescent crystals. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. I will leave a link down below. And I just go ahead and place them the way that I like, and this is what I love about the gel. I have so much room to play around with before I go ahead and cure and set everything in place. So I did cure that, and now I'm going back to the pinky fingernail, and I'm just using the top coat to put these smaller stones on because they stay really well with just the top coat. And after curing that, I'm just going to apply the top coat to the rest of the nails. And that glitter is just so gorgeous. Alright, so this is the finished look. Just a very simple and sweet 4th of July inspired design. I really like how these came out, and I love that I'm able to pose Miss Keisha to hold the Nelfie diamond. Like, that is so awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.